Huizhou YHT Technology Company Limited is a subsidiary of Huizhou YHT Broadband Equipment Company Limited. Provide and sell passive and active optical fiber products. YHT Industry Park has more than 10 buildings, and with solar power for conserving energy. Huizhou YHT Broadband Equipment Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise and the big professional manufacturer of fiber optic products in south of China. Shenzhen YHT Broadband Equipment Company Limited was established in 2003, specializing in research, develop and sales of fiber optic products. Professional engineering team provide technical support for OEM, ODM.
YHT is certified by ISO 9001, 2015, ISO 14001, 2015, OSAs 18001, 2007,
ROS. We participate in many international exhibitions, ECOC, OFC, CIOE, etc.
Elaine is introducing the production proceeding in Hardware CNC Workshop. The CNC punching machines work automatically with high efficiency. The CNC laser cutting machines have high precision and work rapidly. Anna is in Hardware Bending Workshop. This workshop has many bending machines, ordinary punching machines, automatic welding robot, manpower welding, plate shearing, automatic pressure riveting, drilling, polishing equipment. All these machines are used by the skilled workers. It is painting workshop. It has automatic painting lines for supporting large-scale production. The manpower painting cabinets and adjustable temperature control ovens can meet different painting requirements. The metal products from Hardware Workshop should be done electrostatic powder spraying here. Jocelyn is introducing Die Casting Workshop. We have zinc alloy and aluminum alloy die casting production equipment. Spring machines. Punching machines for producing different types of cable clamps, anchor clamps, hanged kits. These products are used in various communication network cabling and power cabling for cable suspension, support, distribution, and protection. We have advanced industrial printers and laser engraving equipment. We can do customized logo on products. In D-Making Workshop, we can do different molds for plastic box as per customer's requirements. It has CNC electrical discharge machines, ordinary milling machines, wire electrical discharge machines, CNC processing center, CNC engraving and milling, plane grinding machines. Catherine introduces Injection Molding Workshop. All machines are with automatic manipulator. Abby says 2 workshops. More than 40 machines work 24 hours a day for bulk production. We have nut pressing machines, production equipment of silicone sealing ring and heat shrinkable sleeves. We also produce optical fusion splicer, such as Model SE1, SD1. The Cable Production Workshop produced simplex, duplex 4 cores, 8 cores, 12 cores, 24 cores, fiber optic cable. In Cable and Connector Assembling Workshop, fiber optic patch cord and pigtails are in producing. They are tested 100% before packing. We has Carton Production Workshop. It can support customized packaging. Lanzi is in Assembling Workshop. The workers are installing fiber optic splice closure, terminal box, splitter box, cabinet. The finished products are checked by QC. The dispensing machine improves the sealing performance and production efficiency. Our test laboratory can do dustproof, waterproof, UV, temperature, tensile, impact test, and so on. Bess is in warehouse. All goods are well packed and checked before shipment. Missy is in sample room. FTTH box, patch panel, ODF, cabinet, splice closure, splitter box, patch cord, pigtail, OTDR, fusion splicer, power meter, etc. are used in FTTX, GPON, CATV, Telecom. YHT is your honest team. We are ready for you. Sangchi YHT Technology Company Limited is our new factory of plastic box, cable, and splitter production. Sarah is in assembling workshop. We install optical pigtail, adapter, and splitter into fiber optic box. Then our customers can save network projects construction time. Bobo is in injection molding workshop. There are more than 30 machines with automatic manipulator and conveyor belt. Its efficient production meets bulk order production, fast lead time. In fiber optic cable workshop, many production equipment support producing indoor and outdoor drop cable, outdoor waterproof cables, armored cables, and customized structural optical cable. In optical splitter workshop, skilled workers are producing and testing the optical splitter as per production proceeding requirements strictly. Steel tube type, ABS box type, 2 ways, 4 ways, 8 ways, 16 ways, 32 ways, 64 ways for option.
YHT provides professional service. Any inquiry, please connect us.